not the lash they fear. It is my divine power.
What's up? Papa up in the house. And we got TB in the garage today. And look at what we're doing. Got some lights for you. Yeah, man. Check those doors out. So I've already got the wire ran. I've already got the speakers on the other side. They're already in. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you, me putting these speakers in today. However, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a installer error that I made. So stay tuned. The installer error that I made on the other side is that I didn't figure out, if you can see back here, which, well, let's do this. Then open the door back here. I didn't figure out which side went to which. So I've got these set of wires right here. And then these wires right here. And I don't know which is which. That's an install error, which is easily handled without having to take all of those out. All right. So, rule number one, label your wires. Check for continuity between the wires so you know what's up there versus plugging up here. Now, the good thing for me is that I got a tool that I can use to check all that. And also check for polarity in the speakers. And it's this little thing right here. Little tone generator. So I got my first set of wires right here. I'm gonna check for continuity. All right. So I got my voltmeter to do that. So I'll set it to the setting to where I can check. You see, that's what you get when you put the two prongs together. So I'll just test one of these and see if any of this matches. And I will quickly know if it's the other side or not. So these set of wires should be the left, which is the driver's side. So these set of wires should be the left. But to make sure, I'm going to go ahead and test a few of the other wires as well, and make sure that I get continuity over here. All right, so I got the other side stripped, and now we're going to check for continuity on this side. So let's see. All right, look at that. There we go. So now we know this side, go to this side. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the tone generator to play a tone through hopefully the tweeters is which. So I'm gonna plug these two ends up, like right here, and see. I'm pretty sure that I'm correct on the polarity. So I'm just gonna go here and there. But you could also check that too. So let's check and see with the tone, see which one it is. It's this one right here. Okay, so we know it. It's this one right here. I can hear it. So I can go ahead and pop that one. See, I'm checking polarity. And it's these two right here. This one and this one. Because what I did here to here and here to here. This is how I hooked it up. I wanted it just different instead of having it here and here. So here to here and then here to here. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. So that one side right there is these two speakers here. So I'll go ahead and label it, and there you go. So I'll turn all this back down and take this off. Let's do a higher tone. So don't want to damage our tweeters. Can't really tell where that's coming from. Yeah, right here. So we got that in that one. So now it should be this one and this one. Yep. It's these two right here. So yeah. These two. Turn that off, turn that down, and then polarity's good. It's going out and in, out and in. Now if the polarity was reversed, it would go in and out, see? So it's coming out and in. So the polarity is correct. All right, so now I'll label this one. Alright, so we got it hooked up. Got our adjuster screw. I think I put it right there. And we'll put it on the far side. It's out too far. That. That'd be good. There we go. So the tweeters are in, nice and tight. There. Now time for the mids. get one. I mean, these are like $15. Highest I done seen is $19. There's an install bay one, but the NVX one is cheaper, and they both do the same exact thing. So, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.